Greetings of the day, children. I am Anuradha from Naipunya Vikasam. Today I am here to present you a new topic. Before going to reveal the name of the topic, I would like to ask you one question. How many of you have torn pages out of your notebooks and made a boat or an airplane? Show your hands. Yes, each and everyone did this. Am I right? Is that was the purpose of the paper? No. Then what is the use of the paper? It is for writing and studying. What is the use of the paper? It is for writing and studying. Apart from this, we made boats, airplanes, etc. Means here we apply creativity to our thinking. Isn't it? Can you guess the name of the topic which we are going to discuss now? It's thinking with creativity. In the name itself it is there, thinking with creativity. Means we have to think creatively. What is creativity? Creativity is the ability to come up with new, original and unique solutions to problems or ideas. So what is then creativity? It is an ability. So each and every individual has an ability to think creatively, and you have to think creatively. You have to come up with a new ideas, original ideas, unique solutions to your problems. So each and every problem has a solution, but remember, there is never one good solution. There are always solutions. You have to think creatively and you have to give different solutions to one problem. So I will give one more example. Toothbrush. So what is the use of the toothbrush? We use toothbrush to clean our teeth. Am I right? So have you ever used a toothbrush differently in your daily life? All of you think once. What is the other uses of the old and discarded toothbrushes? So I will tell you some examples of uses of an old and discarded toothbrush. We use the old toothbrush to apply color to hair, for cleaning combs, for cleaning fingernails, cleaning jewelry. Use it to tickle. We use old toothbrush, we use it to tickle. Here, what is the word means tickle? Tickle means lightly touch in a way that causes itching or twitching and often laughter. Here the old toothbrush make you laughter. So use it to tickle. And we use the old brush for spray painting. So in this way we have used it, apart from the actual uses, we used the toothbrush in different ways. So here we apply creativity to our thinking. What will happen if people never thought differently? What will happen? All of you think once. What will happen if you didn't think differently? If you didn't think creatively? Yes, there would be no inventions. Yes, if we didn't think creatively, there would be no inventions. So in the olden days, there is a land phone. Nowadays, each and everyone are using smartphones, isn't it? Why? Do you know the reason? Some people, they think differently. Why we have to use the land phone? So they think differently and they created a new smartphone for us. So here we apply creativity to our thinking. Everything would be dull and bored. If we didn't think creatively, everything would be dull and bored. People would sport the same clothes, shoes and watch. Here the word sport means wear a distinctive item, means different items. If we didn't think differently or creatively, we have to wear the same types of clothes. Both the men and women, they have to wear the same types of clothes, types of shoes, each and everything. If we didn't think differently. So the same type of car would run on the road. Years and years ago, if we didn't think creatively, years and years we have to run the same type of cars on the road. So we have to think creatively. We have to apply creativity to our thinking in our day-to-day life. So here is an activity. Let us watch the activity. Close your eyes, children. Listen the instructions carefully and do the activity. Fold the paper into two equal halves. Again, fold the paper into two equal halves. Now, tear the paper in the middle in a half circle. Now open your papers. Show me your papers. What do you understand by this activity? In this activity, I gave instructions to the children to fold the papers. Here the one child fold the paper horizontally and another child fold the paper vertically. So they think differently. Each and everyone should think differently. Do you know why I am telling all of this? Because I would like you to create something new and different out of things that you use or see around yourself. I want to make you to do bow. What is bow? Do you know what is bow? Let's watch what is bow. Bow means best out of waste. So you have to prepare the best out of the waste. In this image there is an empty shoe box. So the children made a refrigerator with the empty shoe box. So here they applied their creativity to their thinking. So in this image they used the red label tea box to keep the combs. In this image they used the empty water bottle as a frog for the Barbie. So the choice will be yours. If you want to invent new one, or else you can either redesign an accessory like clothes, belt, watches, etc. Whatever it may be, you could redesign the object and show its functionality. How can we apply this creativity to learning? Till now we have learned we have to apply creativity for so many things. So how can we apply this creativity to learning? How can we improve creative thinking in students? Let's watch some tips to improve creative thinking in children. So here are some tips to improve creative thinking in students. Let's watch. Tell a story without conclusion. Ask them to come up with different endings. So you have to tell a story and don't give conclusion. Ask them to come up with the different endings. Next one. Ask them to tell the different uses of any object apart from its actual uses. In the previous slide we have seen a toothbrush and its different uses of the toothbrush. In that manner, for example, give a pen. Ask what is the actual uses of the pen and ask them the differently how we can use the pen differently. In that way you can improve creative thinking in students. The next tip is ask them to learn any difficult spelling in their favorite song's tune. So some words are very difficult to remember the spellings. So for such type of spellings, ask the children to learn the spelling in their favorite song's tune. Then they can remember easily. The next tip is give them some words which have no link and ask them to create their own story. Give any at least 5 or 6 words. Ask them to create a link between those words and create a story, their own story. And the next tip is explain them different problems and ask them to come up with their own solutions. Give them a problem, ask them to say the solution for the problems. Already we have discussed each and every problem has a solution. But remember, there is no one particular solution for problem. There are many solutions. The main thing is we have to think differently, we have to think creatively, and we have to come up with a different types of solutions. In this way, we have to improve creative thinking in the children. I hope you have understood the topic. Be creative, add colors to your life. Thanking you. Now, here is an assignment for you. What is creativity? What will happen if people never thought differently? What are the tips to improve creative thinking in children? Mention the different uses of old and discarded toothbrush. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.